Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters with another Cybertruck new product introduction. You may recall we were the first to bring a 50-inch LED 48-volt light bar to market for Cybertruck, and we don't stop there. We didn't stop resting. We wanted to come out with a double row light bar, and that's what I'm introducing today. So if you remember from the first video we did, 50-inch LED light bar, it's a bolt-on installation. We include all the hardware. It connects directly to the Tesla. It's a 48-volt light bar. It doesn't require any DC to DC converters, and you turn it on and off in the center screen. And we also have the patent-pending quick disconnect bracketry. If you want to take the light bar off for maximum range and stash it in the bed of the truck, we've got that kit as well. The new one is a double row. So it's the same exact design with brackets, quick disconnect, bolt-on application, all the wiring and everything is there. But instead of having a 1.8-inch light bar with a single row array of LEDs, the new one, 2 arrays, double the number of LEDs. And this is really a subjective thing. Do you want a bigger, bolder, more aggressive looking light bar with double the lights? That's what we've got. I've been driving this truck for 3 months with the double row, and I can tell you one of the questions you'll have is, well, is it noisy? Does it whistle? And no, it does not. For 3 months, been driving it, highway, local roads, all over the place. I can't even tell it's on there, so no noise there. This is really a nice kit, bolt-on, DIY friendly, no permanent mods, no glue, no tape. Unlike the other ones that are out there, this one's designed and engineered specifically for Cybertruck. All right, everybody, if you like this new light bar, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We've got a lot more Cybertruck product coming your way.